So let's solve this problem together. We have a rectangle and it's divided into 4 different parts. We have this first part to have the area 1, and these have area as 3, and this part have area as 4, and we want to determine the area of this part of the rectangle. Now we have the options to be 1, we have option 2, we have the third one 3, we have 4, and we have the last option as none. Now some persons might say that this part of the rectangle cannot be determined. So when we look at the different parts of this rectangle, this is a triangle and this is a triangle, and we have angles here to be vertical angles which are equal to each other. So since these are vertical angles, we can now say that these two triangles are similar. Now we have the area of this triangle as 1 and we have area as 4. So we'll say that their areas are in the ratio in the ratio 4:1. So we have the areas to be 1 and we have area here to be 4. This simply means that their sides are in the ratio in the ratio 2:1. That is the square root of the areas. From here we can get the height of this rectangle. We can get the height to, let's name here h, that's the height, and this is 2h, since they are similar angles, similar triangles. So from here, this simply means that the height of the rectangle is h plus 2h, meaning that the height of the h plus 2h, which is equal to 3h. Suppose we name this A and we name this 2A, since they are similar triangles, and we have our angle 90 degrees to be here. We can use this small triangle to get the formula AH over 2, which is the side of this small triangle, to be equal to 1, which is the area. So this will give us AH to be equal to 2 when we cross multiply. So we can use this formula here. Let's recall that area of a rectangle equals length times width. So we have our length to be 2a and we have our width to be h times 2h, which is 3h. So when we multiply this, we have 2 times 3, which is 6, and we have 6AH. So our AH we know to be equal to 2. So we'll have that 6 times imputing the value for AH, which is 2, is equal to 12. So the area of the rectangle is 12. Now let's recall that we are given the area of 3 parts of the rectangle, and we want to determine this. Since we've gotten the area of the full rectangle as 12, we'll subtract 1, 3, and 4. We have missing parts of the rectangle. To be equal to, we have the full rectangle as 12 minus the given areas, which is 1 plus 3 plus 4. So we have 12 minus, this will give us 8. So the missing part we are looking for is equal to 4. So we have the area here to be 4, and the answer is D. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.